What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Drop Mammy. Today, obviously we're doing brakes, but we're doing Lexus GS 350 brakes. Check it out. So, it's a really hot day here in Miami. So what we're doing today is, like I said, Lexus GS brakes. This is the new Lexus GS 350. The brakes need to be done, and it is so simple, I had to make a video of it. This is going to be a very short video. It's not going to be very long or anything like that. So this is very short how-to change your brakes. So first things first. Got to take out your wheel, and then we're going to go from there. Also, jack up your car. Go ahead. Alright, now the wheel's off. Let's get to these brakes. It's going to be extremely simple. Check it out. So I'm going to give you guys just a rundown exactly what's going on. You have this little piece of metal right here. This metal is puts tension onto this little pin that you have here. This little pin right here goes straight through holds onto the actual pads directly, and also it ends up at the very end. It has a little pin. So basically what you have to do is you have to take off this little pin. You're gonna have to drive this whole pin outward, push tension down this way. You gotta push it this way, and then the pin should come out easily. Once you pull the pin out, you just go ahead and take this metal piece out, and then you'll have access to the actual pads. And we're gonna show you how to take out the pads once we take this out. So we got the pin out. Let's go ahead and we got the little clip out, so it's time to take the physical pin out. We're gonna do that now. Like I said, it's very simple. Tension on this. If you push this in, it slides out. I already got it. There you go. Boom. Everything just kind of fell out. Very simple. Now we're at the pads. So basically, the pads themselves, I am pretty sure somebody's going to tell you not to do it, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to put something here, probably like a pry bar, and we're going to pry this to compress the actual caliper to go ahead and take these pads out. These pads are so simple that all you have to do is literally just pull them out. It's literally that simple. So we're going to compress this and then pull them out. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and pull the pad out. Very simple, like I said, just pulls out. You don't even have to take the physical caliper out. So basically, two pieces of metal. You got to put them together. Make sure they fit into the grooves of the brake pad. Once you pop them into place, like I said, the holes line up. As you see in the top, right over here, holes line up, and just pop them in. Go ahead and push them in, and that's it. Alright, so as you see right here, we have the little piece of metal back in. We're going to go ahead and insert the pin. Make sure the little hole inside the pin is facing the correct direction, so you could go ahead and stick it out, or put it in, I'm sorry. So as you see, we're just going ahead, and it's a little bit of a fight, but you got to make sure the holes are lined up to go ahead and put the pin in. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that now. And yeah, first pin is in. Actually, let's get this piece in. Gotta squeeze here. Yeah. Push this sucker in. Alright, so exactly how I was telling you. Metal piece, pin, all the little shims in place, rods through it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the little hole right here is lined up for the pin. And basically that is your brake job. Alright, so basically that's exactly how to do your brakes on your Lexus GS 350. Few things. One, if you pay somebody to do it, especially this one, especially go to the dealer, you're gonna be paying like $600 or something crazy like that. And quite frankly, you can do it at home. It's extremely simple. Even a caveman can do it. So yeah, with that being said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. I've been putting more content out because lately I have not been, and I need to. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned to the channel. You know what it is. Drive Miami. Peace.